All right, welcome to the Trade Lab. My name is EP. We're going to do a little recap on today's trade activity here in the trading room. And as you can see right now, we have a live one. This is the NASDAQ, the micro NASDAQ to be exact. And we have just created or just seen a new low in today's session. The previous low is back around 942, and we just took that out. And now with just one unit left, I've already had 1, 2, 3 profit targets, 1 cover. I've got $245 in open trade equity on my last micro. Started with 10 of these. And actually going after a $500 profit target in 30 minutes, actually achieved being at about $1,400 in 8 minutes today. That was all thanks to about $450 worth in the crude oil. Actually made money, believe it or not. Believe it or not, this tall yellow bar up here actually was blue as it broke out. Right there, there was a breakout. I did a 2-lot, went up and quickly grabbed some money right before it hit the, I was looking at 120. So I took some money off right before it got there. And then I blinked and the market just came straight down. And thankfully, I had a break-even stop with my last unit. Thankfully, otherwise that could have been very painful. Just to put it in perspective, this is 120 for crude oil up here. This is 118.70, 118.70. So you're looking at $10 a tick, $100 for each full handle. Yes, that would be a $1,300 move down in one bar. Pretty crazy. And look where it's at now, 118.40. So big turnaround in crude oil, but got a little bit out of there to make some nice profits early before I went into the stock session and traded. And I've only been in one trade today, and that's the NASDAQ. So we saw all the stocks breaking down. Here's the NASDAQ on a 5-minute chart. You can see the red in the background. That would be the volatility, and the the pink channels. They're just showing me the breakpoints. And so you see that circle I have here? That's the break point. I came right at the open, 9:30. Red background, pink bar, game on. So you could have done this with the 5-minute chart, could have done this with a 1-minute chart, 2 different strategies here. And of course, as I got short, enjoyed taking some profits. That was the entry. There was an exit. There was an exit. There was an exit. There's a cover. And enjoying this last one. There's only one other trade I did. It was a small little blemish from today. That was in the Japanese yen. I was looking for the yen to fall apart, turn bearish. And it looks like it's starting to turn bearish again. But I shorted it right at the beginning of the secondary bear zone. And I put a tight stop in, conservative stop in on this one. Traditionally, I like to trade the currencies during the European session. I'll be a little bit more conservative during the U.S. session. And it looks like it's gone neutral again. No color in the background, yet the bars are pink. So could make a run for critical support. We'll see. All in all, a nice day of trading, though. Results so far, I've got 1,100 locked in, and I've got 245 in open trade equity on that last NASDAQ that's live. So I've already got maybe about $100 locked in. So it's a guaranteed lock of $1,200 in 30 minutes of trading. As I said earlier, it was as high as about $1,400 8 minutes in. And sometimes it does make sense to take the money and run. Either way, it's been a fine day. I appreciate you guys coming back and taking a look at this video. And if you want to get more information, you can head over to thetradingroom.com, and get your 5-day free pass and jump back in with me and hop on the EP bus. We'll show you how to do it. Enjoy. Have a good day. This is the last day of May. See you next month.